So this is the second deep shelter.
Yeah.
Should I?
Where are we then?
We are in Hougham Battery
Hougham Dressing Station.
Dressing Station. That's the one.
Not a hole in the ground.
Oh, well? Is there a hole in the ground?
Yeah.
Another one?
No, it's the same one.
Oh.
How many holes in the ground do you want there? Get in there first. Sit me up. Very nice. Right, let's get in that kit fucking right. Excuse me, my phone's got a little bit over the place. I've got to climb out. Right, rip them trousers up a bit. And there goes my head torch. Right, I'm in anyway. That way.
Bit moist this one, isn't it?
Yeah, it is at the bottom, it's not going to be flooded.
Yeah.
Right, oh shit.
Yeah. God.
Down coming in, hold on. Don't point it at me.
Yeah, so.
Down the head.
Oh, God.
There's Dan coming in.
Whoa, God.
Go on, Dan, you can do it.
I can do it, so.
You can do it.
I can do it, mate.
Got it?
I've got it.
Let's go, let's turn this up a bit.
Whoa. God.
Right, this is a steep one as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, how nice. No! Fucking back my head.
Well?
Hey, head on second. Must have grown since the last one down it.
Yeah. This is an old hospital, this one, isn't it?
Yeah, this dressing station, Hougham Dressing Station was where they took
The
injured pilots or whatever else, or anyone else had been injured in airstrikes or whatever in World War II.
Oh, what's that?
And should have been underground hospital. Someone's bag there.
Yeah.
What the hell, a bag up? Someone's bag.
Someone's lost their URBEX bag.
That's the URBEX bag, yeah. Another steep one going down, not so deep as the other one. You can actually walk down this one.
Do you know? Oh, it's slippery, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Well, we've still got that fire station bit of the road.
Oh, yeah, of course.
The bottom there is going to be flooded, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's a bit moist here, to be fair.
It does, actually.
Multi moist.
Steve loves a moist hole.
This is going up on Instagram then.
Oh, yeah. And what's the matter? Do you think Instagram's going to watch your video? It's got a big old slope, this one, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not anywhere steep as some of them, huh?
No, but it's longer.
Longer. Come down?
No, I'm not coming down so long. I think I'll just wait here for you. Is that alright?
Yes, right.
You ain't going to get
Through the gift
scared.
shop, don't we?
Yeah, that's it.
We have to leave through the gift shop.
I've been in here a while.
Yeah, it's been a while since I've been here, to be honest.
Pardon?
It's been a while since I've been here
Yeah.
as well. Probably a couple of years.
Big old motor.
Yeah. So it's probably been a couple of years since I've been here.
Yeah.
But it's quite a big one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Something's fuel down there.
Oh gosh, it keeps doing that, my light.
Huh?
Keeps going off like that.
Something goes all the way down there. Obviously. Go down here first, mate.
Cool.
Is this the staircase? Doesn't go anywhere, isn't it?
I can't remember, Steve.
Oh, I can't remember it.
It's been so long.
Well, it was a staircase, it's really a rubble staircase. But It is what it is. It's a closed off entrance that would have been open to the public at some point, military or whatever. Excuse me. I'm not going to climb up it because I know it's a dead end.
Is it a dead end?
Yeah, we know that, don't we?
Oh yeah, we do, don't
I'm
we?
showing it to the video there. When you get to the very top of that, it's really slippery and muddy about there. So there's no point going up there. But that's actually closed off to the end, capped off, probably the top of the cliff. Right.
There's a rubble been dumped down there, isn't
Yeah,
there?
there's a shed load of it down. There's no point going up there. I've got to show it for the video so anybody watching can see. There's no point going up there because you get it absolutely filthy. Right. There's the fire goal, isn't it?
See?
See if people put chairs down there.
Yeah. I remember them down there before. There was still a bit of work in here, weren't there?
I can't remember that. It's been a while since I've been there. Not power switch, isn't it? Like I said, this would have been a hospital.
Yeah.
Obviously, dressing station.
Andy Luton life.
Huh?
Andy Luton life.
Yeah. We do lots of these deep showers all over the place, don't we?
We do. Someone's been down here having a good old drink.
Is it you?
No.
You sure?
Would I do that, sir?
Yeah, probably.
It's too late in the day to drink. I only like drinking in the morning.
Until 1 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah. Oh, not again.
Yeah, it was supposed to last from 2 years ago.
Yeah.
Well, we're filming it anyway.
It is what it is.
We're filming it anyway to get money.
Oh, it ain't as bad as it used to
Get
be.
money, I've got a washing machine, doesn't matter. Right.
It used to be really water here.
It's really bad down at some points. There's no bike frame there. I don't think the wheels are for a bike, I think the wheels are for something else, they just put the frame on top of them.
Yeah.
That's not push bike wheels.
Anyone's.
I know someone's talking about that. Nice hole there, look. You like old school, don't you?
Not that muddy old dog.
It's muddy up here, look at the muddy,
I
look.
know.
It's absolutely soaking down there, isn't it? Right.
Ain't that the one with the thing?
Eh?
Oh, God.
What's the little entrance up
Yeah,
here?
that's the one with the stretcher thing, isn't it? I can go right up here, but
I go up there, you know, show you.
see where they used to bring the stretchers down.
Step to side. Look, if you can see up there, this is level, so that's how steep it is going up there. You've got some, excuse me.
Obviously, they bring the stretchers down that.
Yeah. Oh, I'm on slow mode, I'll do that. I don't want it on slow mode, I'll change it.
Just push stop. Oh, if you change it to slow motion.
I didn't want it on slow mode, I should stop.
No, I know.
Oh, it wasn't filming.
Oh, you're walking back out anyway.
Let's go back to it. I can't be having that. I didn't want that in slow mo, I wanted it to leave. How annoying. I'll just start again.
Yeah. You're walking back out that way anyway.
I'll start it from there. Fucking bastard. They've gone slow mo where I fucking touched the meter. We're at Hougham Dressing Station. We're actually in the dressing station itself on video from inside. That's a closed off
Entrance.
It's going right there. That's level. So that shows you how steep that is. We're actually quite a way into the deep shot at the moment. And I'm going to video away around it and then back out again. See where we come from. Yeah. It's really, really muddy down here. Like really muddy down here.
Very muddy.
Very muddy down here. The dressing station is an underground
Hospital, yeah, basically.
Breeders, pilots and soldiers and all that. This is just a little dead end room, this one, huh?
Yeah.
So, why don't we head back out so we
Go on.
can film on the way out. What's filming on the way in, but
You messed up.
I messed up. It suddenly went up slow-mo when I nearly dropped the phone, and then I pulled it out, so I deleted it. I thought I'd just carry on from the phone as part of the deep shelter on the way out. Some white spots put a bicycle frame now, but they're not bicycle wheels. As you can see, they're not bicycle wheels.
Proper off-roader.
Yeah, off-road wheels, but there's some with the bike frame on it to be funny. Right. Anyway. Into here. There's Doug. Oh, Doug in there. There's Doug.
Dog. Oi, easy.
There's a couple of fire extinguishers there. Oh, it's not very bright. Okay, thanks. Battery going. Sorry down there, Dan, because it's not really picking much up with my torch at the moment. So people can actually see where we're going. My torch is going a little bit dimmer than it should, man.
Did you charge it?
Yeah, but don't forget I went and said rocket as well, didn't I?
Oh, yeah.
We've bricks and whatever these bricks were here for, but there's a lot of them.
Looks like an old generator bit.
Eh?
I don't know.
That is. No idea what that was about. But yeah, they would have took the injured, maybe pilots or, you know, calibrate them. Maybe any injured soldiers from bombings or whatever would have been treated down underground in here. Hougham Dressing Station. Yeah, I was originally videoing it from the entrance coming out, but I screwed up the video and now I'm re-recording it from inside rather than outside. Old drums, ain't there?
Yeah.
And some old kettle by the looks of it.
There's a kettle.
Fancy a brew?
It's a original, isn't it?
Do you fancy a brew?
Yeah, let's have one.
Oh, somebody's having a brew down here, look at this. Wow.
It was going to be
You sure?
the Avenging Booms.
If it's in your Ranger booms, it probably was you.
It wasn't me.
You liar. He's telling fibs.
I'm not telling fibs. Me
Oh, no,
I'm
another
gonna
one of your lawnmowers that you found from the farm there. Look.
Oh, yeah.
Do you remember you said it was a lawnmower? I made a big video of it. That's funny. Right. Power switch there. There is no power in here, obviously. But yeah. As you can see.